welcome back to the channel. Today we will be reviewing GoPro Hero 9 Black. It is an action camera. I have ordered this from Amazon. This is not an unboxing video, it is just a used product. I'm using this product since last 2 weeks. So there is a scam going on that people are getting fake product from online when ordered online. So please beware while placing an order on Amazon. I have created a separate video, so check out the link in the description to check how to verify a product is genuine. So in this case I have ordered a special bundle pack. So in this pack I have ordered a separate remote control, and I'll also be getting a separate extra battery. Generally we do get a single battery with this, but in this case, as being a bundle product, special bundle product, I have received another battery, extra battery as well. So 2 charging cables and 2 different batteries are there. So this is a camera. Now if you can see, this shuttle is open. I have removed this shuttle because I'm using a separate case, and to fit this camera into the case I have to remove this shuttle. Okay. So this is an action camera, and my personal review is and my personal experience by using this camera outside is it is a quite good camera, only if you are using this camera outside in the actual natural light. If you try to use this camera inside the room, it will not give better result. It will not give the apt results. So better to use this camera outside in the natural light. The video quality is superb. The stability is perfect. There are also features included in this camera like hypersmooth and horizon leveling. It works as expected. Make sure you do a perfect settings while doing a shoot. Okay, so these are some positive points about this camera. So there are settings we can do, multiple kind of resolutions we can set. It also supports 5K resolution, so this is also a positive point of this camera. GoPro has given 2 different screens, one the main screen which is the big one, and another one if we want to shoot at the selfie mode, we can see ourselves in the camera at the front side, right? This is also an advantage. The mic is good, it captures very good sound, and this is a holder which has been given, which is inbuilt. Now we need not worry if we do not have any attachments. We can go with this built-in holder. This is the thing. So in this pack, what did I get? Let's see. This, the one thing is camera. Let me put this aside. As I told you, this is a remote control because this is a special bundle. Along with this is a strap to hold it on the wrist. There are 2 cables because we have been given 2 different batteries. So very first drawback of this camera is it is not suitable to use inside of the house. You will not be getting a good result as compared with the outside shoots. Okay. Second and most important thing is you will not be getting any memory card. So this is a memory card slot, and you have to buy this explicitly. Okay. So I had ordered 256 GB of memory card, and this costed me around 3000 rupees extra. So this is an additional expenditure. Consider that. We have to consider that. Third and important thing, apart from that single attachment, let me show you that attachment. Yeah, this looks like this. This is an attachment. You can see this, right? Apart from this attachment, we do not get anything. So we are supposed to buy a separate accessories kit if we wanna try multiple things, right? So that is the thing. So we have to buy a separate stick to hold this camera. So that is also an additional expenditure. We do not have given a screen guard over here. So consider that as well. And it is mandatory. So I have ordered recently a screen guard. It is yet to be received. So that's why I have not removed these default stickers. These are the screen protectors but not the screen guards. So I'll be reviewing that. So I'll be removing that. Rest all is fine. You get a good results but only outside. One important and most important drawback of this camera is while shooting outside, if you are shooting this, if you are shooting or if you are using this camera in a high temperature, let's say around 30 degrees Celsius, it gets overheated and this camera literally shuts off. It gets powered off automatically. So you will have to remove the battery and then replace the battery and then again restart the camera. That is all the headache. While driving, if you are shooting and if your camera stucks due to overheat, then you're doomed. You cannot do anything. So it is a major drawback of this camera. So think before buying this camera, what is a type of use you will be doing. Whether you will be riding on the bike in the summer, then this is not maybe a suitable, this may not be a suitable product for you guys. Okay, if you wish to use this camera in winter in less temperature atmosphere, then this is a good camera. This is the best high quality camera. It gives you better results, right? But yeah, from my personal opinion, it is not a good camera for clicking the pictures. So iPhone is way better to click the pictures, but if you want to shoot, then this is a good camera. Okay, that's it from me. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, just hit the like button, subscribe the channel to watch more reviews, and do not forget to share this link of this video. Goodbye.